Hey guys, is it time to change your belt on your KRX? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. You're going to start by removing the bolts from your clutch cover. This is a 10mm socket. Slide the clutch cover off going towards the front of the machine. As it comes off, you'll want to make sure that the seal stays in place and that it's in good shape. If it's not, or if it's crimped in certain places or coming loose, you might want to go ahead and contact your dealership and get a new seal. Next, we're going to remove this primary clutch holder, starting with these two bolts here. It's also a 10mm socket. This bolt might be a little bit harder to locate, so it's easier if you put your hand in there so you can feel it and guide your socket down on it so that you're not scarring up your secondary trying to reach it. Next, we're going to remove these two nuts here. Those are both going to be 12mm socket. With those bolts removed, carefully slide the cover off. When this comes out, there's going to be grease and a seal there. Make sure that seal's in good shape. If not, get a new one from your dealership and be careful not to get grease on the post or on any of the clutch components. Next, we need to spread the sheaves on the secondary clutch. We're going to use an M10 by 1.25 bolt. Thread it into any of these slots here. You'll start seeing your belt loosen up. You'll have to work with your belt a little bit. Once you get it up and over top of the sheaves, you should be able to turn it and it work itself off. As you're sliding the belt off, be sure not to get it on any of the grease from the primary clutch. Now when checking your belt, you want to pay attention to how it comes off, especially if you're reusing the same belt. You want it to go on the same direction. This belt's fairly new. It's in good shape. If not, you would see a lot of wear on the teeth, any dry rotting, you'd see a lot of belt dust, possibly grooves worn in your clutch. So that belt looks like it's good. We'll set that aside and clean our clutch sheaves. Take a clean rag, wipe around the outside of your clutch sleeves. Wipe down inside, feel for any kind of grooves or etching. If there are grooves, you'll have to get a new secondary. Same with the primary. If there's a lot of excess belt dust or anything that's stuck on, you can use brake cleaner to get that off. Just be sure everything's dry before reassembling. Wipe down the inside of your cover. Also clean this cover as well. Be sure not to get this grease anywhere. We're going to reinstall our belt. If yours was bad, you can install a new one. Slip it over the primary first. Get it started over the secondary. As you turn the secondary, it'll start sliding into place. You can take the bolts out. That'll allow the secondary to close. Spin the secondary until the belt starts tightening up. You're good to go once the ribs on the belt are even with the sheaves. Now you can reinstall your primary cover. Once you have those bolts tightened down, you can reinstall your clutch cover. And that's how easy it is to change your belt on the new Kawasaki KRX. Thanks for watching. Happy riding.